so privileged that he is with us today. Good news ba yun?
Yes!
So di ba nakakatawa? So from his mouth, he's gonna be talking about the wonderful product, yung sobrang ganda nating product na lahat tayo in love. Yes or yes?
Yes!
Sino dito in love sa product natin?
Hey!
Sino dito marami ng testimony sa product? So we're gonna be talking about that a little bit. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's all welcome the Chief Training Officer, Mr. Nathan Damasio!
Hello everybody, and magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Maayong hapon sa atong tanan. I still remember 2021 of September when Ambag Law shared to me about the product. Inadala niya yung video. So believe na ako, no? Parang sabi ko, wow, ito na yun. Kasi I'm into technology. I love energy. So I remembered it. We have a TV we hang on the wall. I called all my kids. Sabi ko, anak, tingnan niyo, watch this. Sabi ng firstborn ko na anak, sabi niya, Dad, are you telling me you're gonna do network marketing again? Sabi ko, alam ba yung network marketing na yan? Sinumpa ko na eh, ayaw ko na eh. Pero ladies and gentlemen, nandito na naman ako. So, going to my slide, I want to bring you back to the beginning. Alright? Because when I started this, right now we are in over 80 countries. We have partners and users in these countries and regions all over the world. In fact, according to Dr. Steven, we have sold 1 million devices already. So these are the first pioneer users. They took photo. I still remember, I always tell them, sige, pag nakabenta ako, ito yan, mga Africans, mga Filipinos, sabi ko sa kanila, take a selfie, take a photo, send it to me, because I'm gonna show it during my Zoom calls. And these are the people. Do you still remember them? Some of them are doing the business, some of them remain as users, some of them remain as retailers. Nandito po kami, kung mapansin niyo po, nandyan po yung mga pioneers natin. These are my friends, good friends from all over the world. Wala pong mga kamay dyan. And so I want to bring you back. This is the word, fall in love. Because when you love something, you will never stop sharing it. Mukhang bibig ka. I still remember the first time I heard about the technology. Every day, tawag ako ng tawag. Siguro minimum 10 people a day. 5, 10 people a day. Minsan 20. I still have all the lists from my Facebook. I scratched them pag matawagan na. Most of them would say, Nathan, bago yun, hindi ko alam yan. Ano ba yan? Sabi ko sa kanila, attend my Zoom. So they joined. So I want to bring you back to these memories. How does it feel when you fall in love with iTeracare? And now, ito na po sila. In 3 years' time of doing this business in the Philippines, these are the solid leaders pursuing the quest, the goal of bringing one iTeracare to every household in the Philippines. And so this is called revolutionary device. I always say bakit revolutionary because the old model was popping a pill. That was the old model. This is what being taught in school. Kung nakakay sakit, what do you do? Pop a pill. This model is no longer working. I'm telling you. Because this model is being exposed by doctors and scientists that popping a pill is not healthy. It is a suppressant. It is Band-Aid. It will never cure any disease. That's why I don't understand. Bakit kailangan nilang ganito? May mga ganitong certification na hindi pala makaka-cure. Gusto nila na dapat daw makatreat or what? Yung mga natural na nakakatreat, ayaw nilang bigyan ng certification na nakakatreat. Pero yung hindi nakakatreat, hindi nakaka-cure, na synthetic, na maraming side effect, maraming namamatay, bibigyan nilang certification. Parang hindi ko maintindihan. You know what I mean? Hindi ko galit ako, ha? So now, going back to the bottom line, everything is energy. Your thoughts, your emotions, your feelings, your words. That's why this energy is expanding. Down to your cells, down to the atoms, everything is vibrating. If everything is vibrating, nothing is still. Kung makita mo yung solid na yan, na phone na yan, look at it, it's still, it's not moving, but into the atomic level, into the quantum physics, everything is vibrating.
Yes.
Are you still with me?
Yes.
So if everything is energy, and there is a law of vibration, this is where it comes very, very powerful. The body, our physical body is an energy field. There is vibrations in our organs, tissues, vibration in our bones, in our cells, down to our atoms, which atom is made of waves or particles. Waves, which you cannot see. Particles, you can see. It's called photons. So if we are made of atoms, which atoms are made of photons, photons is light. Are you still with me?
Yes.
So we are made of photons, light. We are light beings. That's why we are called energy beings. Everything in this body is governed by energy, not just elements, nutrients, magnesium, minerals, and iron. It is governed with or by energy. So your body is an energy field. You are like a battery. And you notice, pag ang tao mamatay, the physical body becomes heavy. I still remember because my father just died last year. When my father is about to die, ang iyang lawas, yung katawan niya, bumibigat. Umuusod siya. Yung kanyang pilo, nahuhulog siya. And I remember from my lolo, my tita who died, that's the usual thing. The physical body becomes heavy because the energy is depleting. What is making us non-heavy, you're able to lift, medyo nakakaano ka, malilift ka, it's because of energy. So pag nawawala yung energy, life force, your physical body becomes heavy. So if you're heavy, less energy. Mabigat yun. Anong sabi ni Einstein? In the future, now let me tell you when he said this. He said this 44 years ago. 44 years ago, wala pang technology kagaya sa cellphones natin. Wala pa to. But during his time, sabi niya, in the future, ang magiging medicine, way of healing the body, will be frequency. Now, we have seen a lot of frequency devices today. May mga max, may mga hinahawakan, mayroong mga electromagnetic, may mga infrareds, madami. In fact, may mga crystals. Now, they're using cymatics. Cymatic is sound. Meron silang harmonies of sound, 4, 5, 3 layers of different sound. They beam it. Yung pasyente, natutulog lang, may mga sound speakers. And guess what? Yung patient na may mga problema sa katawan, gumagaling using sound.
Wow.
That's why let there be light. And there was light. For there is power in your tongue. Cymatics. Pag sasabihin mo sa kanya, tigas talaga ng ulo mo. Cymatics. Magkakatotoo ba?
Yes.
Yung batang sinasabihan mo, tigas ng ulo mo, wala kang kwenta. Yung bata na yan, do you think nagiging ano ba yan? Mabait? Hindi! Cymatics. Energy. So in words, technology, they're using this. May mga affirmation tayong pinapakinggan. Yes! I am rich, I'm healthy, I'm powerful, I'm amazing, I'm brilliant, I'm a genius. Every time you hear the sound energy, what happens? It affects your cells. Because every cell in your body is listening to those words.
Oh.
Now, this is not taught in schools. Wala ako sa curriculum natin, and I just read and watched a documentary that our school curriculum was founded by Rockefeller, who doesn't want to teach natural ways and methods. Pinatanggal niya ang natural in our school curriculum. Sabi niya, hindi na po natural ang magiging standard. Ang standard ay drugs. That's why the pharmaceutical took over. This was in the 1900s by the Rockefellers. We are not taught that the body is able to heal itself. Pag naakay cut, meron kang wound, what happens? Your body heals itself, right? That same power that heals your wounds and your cut is the same power that will heal you from cancer, from diabetes, from stroke, from inflammation. That same power is within you. And so this is what Hippocrates said. He said, there is a healing force within each one of us. And it is the greatest force that makes a person well. Sabihin mo nga sa katabi mo, may the force be with you.
May the force be with you. Good.
All diseases is a lowering of
Frequency.
Pag bumababa yung energy mo, what causes your energy to go down? Stress. Wrong foods, toxic foods, seed oils, overthinking, radiation, naglo-lower ng energy. So sabi ni Dr. Joe Dispenza, yan ang rason kung bakit ka nagkakasakit. Disease. Kasi bakit? Yung energy mo, magbaba na. Ang question ko, pwede bang taasin pa natin yung energy natin?
Yes!
Now, the eye care is known to increase the energy in our bodies. Now, alam na natin itong terahertz. Hindi siya electronic, hindi siya photonic. When you say photonic, it's light. X-ray, infrared, gamma waves. This is light. Ang electronic, yung nasa cellphones natin, sa Wi-Fi, sa router, communication, microwave. But hindi siya electronic at hindi siya light. Yung na-discover siya ng mga American scientists, sabi nila, oh my God, this is huge. Sabi ng American scientists, ang tawagin natin dito ay isang wave of life. Kasi yung frequency ng terahertz, kagaya sa frequency ng mga cells ng katawan natin. Sabi naman ng mga Japanese scientists, this is light of life. Bakit? Nagbibigay siya ng lakas sa mga cells ng katawan natin. Sabi naman ng mga chinito at chinita, Happy New Year to you! Come here, enjoy! Sabi naman nila, hala, itong frequency na ito, parang frequency ito ng Creator Divine. Bakit pinapalakas niya ang iyong humihina? Now in 2004, the US government named this technology as one of the top 10 technologies that will change the future of humanity. Now what makes iTheracare the best? This is what we call the sweet spot. 2 to 17 terahertz. Maraming mga peke, correct? At nakita natin yung mga peke, gumagamit sila ng mga chip. May mga stickers sila. Pag-switch daw nila may terahertz. Yes! May terahertz. Correct? Pero yung terahertz nila, wala sa terahertz gap. Pag wala ka sa terahertz gap, ang mangyayari, delikado siya sa katawan ng tao. Or hindi siya mag-work. That's why huwag kayong pumili ng mga peke na nandyan sa mga online.
Yes!
Ang itsura niya, parang iTheracare, pero ang binubugan niya, hindi pala terahertz. Ang binubugan niya, microwave. So, naluluto yung mga cells ninyo. Oh no. Everybody say resonance.
Resonance.
Ano yung resonance? Pag dalawa, the same ang frequency, like yung glass. Ang pinaka-perfect na example is yung glass, wine glass. Pag i-pitch mo yung frequency ng wine glass, kasi pag ting, ting, kagaya mo, ting, pag i-resonate mo yung frequency ng glass, magkakaroon siya ng effect called vibration. So that's why yung glass, pag i-pitch mo siya ng voice mo, ah! Ano mangyari? Sasabog. Bakit sasabog? Kasi nag-vibrate yung glass. Pag the same frequency mag-vibrate, meron tayong mga noise cancellation cellphones today. Di ba? Uso na yan. Pag binili ka, tatanong ka, may noise cancellation ba ito? Wala. Medyo cheap to. Pero lahat ng mga AirPods may noise cancellation. What is the mechanic of noise cancellation? It's called resonance. So pag papasok yung frequency sa labas, ang gagawin ng headphone, i-match niya ng the same frequency para ma-cancel. That's the technology of noise cancellation. So hindi na siya makapasok sa earbuds mo kasi kina-cancel niya dito pa lang sa microphone ng earbuds mo. That's called resonance. Ang nangyayari sa resonance, pag switch on mo ng Iteracare, yung cells mo, sabi niya, wait, kagaya tayo. So ano mangyayari? Vibration, correct? Ano mangyayari? Kung titignan mo, i-visualize mo yung mga cells mo, magsasayaw siya.
Giling-giling.
Resonance, ulit na ulit. Resonance create vibration. Paki-vibrate na yung katabi mo. Paki-vibrate. Sige na. Sabi mo sa kanya, ito yun! Ito ang nangyayari sa cells mo! Now, sabi nga, Nathan, palaging tanong sa akin, Nathan, meron ba yung science? Naku po, malulunod kayo sa science. Titingnan nyo na lang sa Google, lahat, ang dami ko nang na-research ng mga books about terahertz, journals, research papers, health benefits. Pero, hindi nila pwedeng maging mainstream ito. Hindi nila ito pinapublish. Kasi bakit? Pag magiging standard ito, yung negosyo nila na para sa cancer, maapektuhan. Yung negosyo nila na para sa pain reliever, maapektuhan. Kasi the best na ng Iteracare pag may sakit ka. Nathan, meron pa yung mga tinatawag na conformity, electronic conformity, mga C, mga F, kompleto po. Kompleto from science to safety, to electronic, standard, kompleto analysis of microelements, wavelength, antibacterial, quantum report, far infrared, kompleto. In other words, our product works.
Yes!
Safety. Andyan. Kompleto. Bakit Chinese? Kasi galing sa China ka. At saka itong lahat ng mga bodies na ito, the same to ng mga body na nag-certify sa Apple, sa Samsung, sa lahat
Yes!
the same. Ganun yan eh. Pati ang Apple may ganyan. Tinranslate lang into English. Ay nangyayari lang sa atin, hindi natin matranslate. Kasi walang magta-translate. Pero kung gusto nyo i-English natin, pwede. Gamitin natin ng ChatGPT. Now, good news. Para meron tayong confidence, ladies and gentlemen, ang price lang ang sole distributor ng Iteracare. Ito ang napakagwapong scientist. Professor Yang Wing-Jun, kauna-unahang scientist na naka-manufacture, naka-create ng first Iteracare in the world. And you know the price, right? $418,000 the first device. Now we have in 2019 the third generation. This is my favorite Pro device. Sino ba mo ang Pro? Kung meron kang katabi dyan na walang Pro, sabihin mo sa kanya, mag-Pro ka na.
Pro na kayo.
Bakit? Sabihin mo, bakit? Itsura mo, hindi pang classic, pang Pro! We have the red hot chili pepper, and we have the purple, the premium plus. It has 3-core technology. Now, it's using crystal. Yung crystal pala, nakausap ko yung inventory. Yung crystal pala, powderized. It's powderized together with ingredients, earth elements, may mga magnesium, may mga core, may mga ang dami, 100 plus. Ang ginawa nila, ininit nila in a furnace, 1,800 degrees to 2,000 degrees. At they turn it into a tube. May video, tube, gano'n, no? So yung process na yun, according to Professor Yang Lujo, ang hirap. Kasi the first time they did it, they were trying to bake, parang mag-baking, yung different recipes and ingredients. The first one daw, a few times, sumabog, it cost them millions of US dollars. Sumabog yung factory nila. Ganun ka-delicate. Until one day, persistency wins. They found the perfect recipe to create the perfect terahertz device in the world. It eliminates unhealthy cells, activates inert cells, increases self-healing ability. Palagi natin sinasabi, hindi po nagpapagaling ang iTeracare. Ang nagpapagaling sa'yo, yung katawan mo mismo.
Yes!
Ang ginagawa lang ng iTeracare is pinapalakas yung healing ability ng katawan mo. And we have clear meridian points. We're using Chinese traditional medicine, acupuncture, meridian points, all those points, lymph nodes. And we also have improving circulation, regulate glands, remove excess body fluid. Ang dami mo na nakita, sobrang sexy na ngayon. Sobrang slim. Ang dami sa mag-glow. 2 oras gabi-gabi. Kung nakita mo siya ngayon, grabe na, sobrang sexy na. Siya ang isa sa mga example that the iTeracare works. Kung pwede natin siyang patayuin natin.
Yes!
Come on! The Alpha Woo! Palakpak kayo naman! Alam niyo po, ginamit ko na ito 3 years. I know Alpha Glow. I know her past weight. And I'm sure a lot of you have seen her. But gulat tayo lahat. She is just so different today. Because why? She keeps using the iTeracare. Tsagaan lang. Every single day. Ang daming testimonies. Nakita nyo na ito. Nakalakad ito. Alright? Ito naman, vaccinated sa Canada. Out of control. After 3 days, nakalakad pababa sa stairs. Nakita nyo din ito. This is Mona Lisa Salas, ang distributor. Nanay nila, si Angie Salas, that time 91 years old. Meron siyang lumbar spinal stenosis. Ngayon, wala na siyang high blood pressure maintenance. Wala na din siyang blood sugar maintenance drugs. 2 kumpanya pwede magsarado nito. High blood and blood sugar. That's why ayaw nila. Yeah? Oh. Paralyzed. This is one of the classic. Tingnan mo, itim. 5 araw lang bumuti.
May pag-asa pa.
Yung may maitim dyan. Minsan sa ibang parte ng katawan. Baka pwede naman bumuti. Palakpakan! Oh, nakita niyo ito. Nag-viral ito. Kaibigan ko yan. Kasi ito, vaccine na naman. Hindi natin matinay. Ang dami na talagang namamatay. Siya, after booster shot, na-collapse. Sinugod sa St. Luke's Hospital. Naka-airlift helicopter. Mayaman ng pamilya. They spent 6 million pesos in this. So, ito siya, nandyan yan, naka-life support, malapit ang mamatay. Pumunta yung friend ko doon, ng iTeracare sa loob ng hospital sa room, kasi yung security guard Bisaya. Sabi niya, sir, akit na sir, agunin mo sir. So, nag-therapy siya. Umiiyak pa siya. Pagkaayo niya. Alam mo ba kung ilan yung nabenta niya kay iTeracare dahil sa testimony na ito? Ang dami niyang nabenta. Siguro mga few thousands din. 1,000 or 2. This guy. Kasi grabe ang effect. After 5 days, nakalakad. After 10 days, na-discharge. Ito na siya. Parang acupuncture na walang needles. Parang cupping na walang cup. Parang guasha na walang siya. Parang masahe na walang masahe. Yun, tubig, alam na natin yan. Pwede dyan, pwede sa pets mo. Okay, ito na. Pwede din sa mga newborn babies.
Oh!
Precautionary, alam na niyo na ito. I have a good news for you, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready?
Yes!
Di ba meron tayong mga skeptics? Meron pa rin mga medyo outdated, di ba? Hindi nagbabasa. Ang nakikita nila lang TV lang, just kasoho lang talaga. Ay mga iba dyan na hindi nila alam anong technology. So I have a good news for you, ladies and gentlemen. Alright? This is our mission. The good news is, we are about to publish a book.
Oh!
And this book will be your marketing weapon. You know about Itera Care? Huwag ka nang research. It's all in the book. Yung lahat nandoon sa internet, lahat yan, we compile it, we turn it into a book. Meron kang doktor, what is Itera Care, Doc? Read the book. Meron kang parents na alam, ma, read the book. After they read the book, for sure, they will buy Itera Care. And we also have goal setting and gratitude daily life planner coming din yan. Alright? So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much!